Hello everybody, welcome to my first ever makeup tutorial. Today we are transforming the lovely Avonmora into Mother Nature. Alright, first product I am using is Tulip Body Art Paint. This is like the most fun thing in the world to me.
Painting humans.
Painting humans, exactly. Take Me to Brazil eyeshadow palette. You cold?
A little bit. A little bit. Got like oak balls in here.
Fun story about why those are in a bag.
They start hatching.
You've had this experience too? Like where you popped one and then bugs came out of it?
Well, you know what they are, don't you?
What are they?
A wasp stings an oak tree and makes a gall and lays its eggs in there. So they're baby wasp larvae that grow up in there. That's what they are.
I knew it! When I was a little kid, I found one of these things and I decided to burst it open and see what was inside. And I burst it open and then just all these bugs and ants come flying, swarming around and crawling out of it, and I was, ah! And then I tried to tell an adult what happened and they were like, oh, honey, that's, you were just, like, they didn't take me seriously.
That's really funny, they just didn't believe you.
Yeah, and they even went so far as to tell me that, like, no, that's not what those are. You're wrong. They're just seeds. They're just seeds from the tree.
I don't know who told you this, but they knew nothing about
Then I thought that they were just seeds from the tree and that my fear of them was irrational.
No, they're not
irrational.
seeds from the tree.
Eyebrow craft skills on point. Look at that. Look at those crafty eyebrows. Those lichen brows. I'm liking those brows.
I'm liking them brows too. I think it's perfect lichen.
But you're not liking any of it.
I'm not liking them. Poking
Let's
you
poke you in the eye
in the eye for the rest of the night, and it doesn't sound like.
This is LA Colors black eyeliner. It was on sale.
Fun World eyelash adhesive. This is so fun.
Oh, blowing up my eyebrow. Don't blow my eyebrow. You know what I feel like?
What?
I feel like one of those puppets. Have you seen ventriloquists that have puppets that have like the eyebrows that can independently move? They're like on little expression things. That's how this feels.
On your head.
This is the most algae-like lichen I've ever seen. You guys, look at this. It's like plant snot.
Teeny tiny itty bitty baby sand dollar.
Okay, how do you feel about these?
You're gonna put them on my head.
I'm glued too.
Did we not have a conversation about you gluing the bug-infested oak balls to my head? I'm pretty sure we talked about that.
I wasn't gonna glue it to your head. I was just gonna glue one like right there.
Well, if you find one that doesn't have like a lot of bugs on it, then we can do that.
Global Colors Cake in Greenland.
Can't express how much that tickles. Oh my gosh. Woo! I'm done! I have, wow. Wow, guys. Have you seen my eyebrows lately? Because this is like some next level eyebrow
On
magic.
fleek.
On fleek.
They're on fleek.
So hard. I really like this. That's wow.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and while we're on the subject of Mother Nature, I wanted to tell you guys about this awesome app. Ecosia is an internet search engine, and for every 45 internet searches that you do, it plants one tree. So you can actually plant trees just by doing something that you would already do every day. So go ahead and help Mother Nature out and download that Ecosia app. I'll put a link for it in the description. And if you want to see me transformed into a robot by the lovely Avonmora, go ahead and click this video here. I'll also put a link in the description. And let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thanks again for watching. Bye.
Bye. It's not coming out!